I'm in the garage today with a 2017 Mini Cooper Clubman, and we have the winter tires on, and now with the summer tires off, the computer doesn't recognize any of the tires. So what we have to do is go back and reprogram the tire pressure monitoring system. I'm going to show you how that's done. It's super simple. What I really like about the system on this car is that the driver can reset all the tires. You don't have to take it to a shop or a dealer to have all the tires read, so that all the tires, when it's reading pressure, are in the right spot on your car. So this is pretty nice. So we'll get inside the car and I'll show you how that's done. Said before, we just put the winter tires on our Mini, so we need to reset the tire pressure monitoring system. So the first thing you want to do is measure the pressure in each tire and make sure it's correct. Once you've done that, we'll go through and reset the tire pressure monitoring system. All right, so I've got the Winter Continental winter tires. Maximum tire pressure is 51. I am going to run at 35. All right, so once I've checked the tire pressure, I am then going to use the dial to get into the main menu, rotate over to vehicle. Then I want to go to vehicle status, and there it is, tire pressure monitor. So I am going to reset. And I have already checked tire pressure. It's all set at 35, and I'm performing the reset. All right, real quick video. While I'm driving, it is actually resetting the tire pressure. So right now I'm at 21%. All right, after driving around for about 5 minutes, it is now set. All right, so as you can see, it is extremely simple to reset the tire pressure monitoring system, and we're all set for the season. Once spring comes and I throw the summer tires back on, we'll just repeat the process. Piece of cake.